Okay, Beak. Are you ready to go? We're going to start this in about a minute. You look a little nervous.
I'm not nervous.
Maybe you look a little stiff, too. You got to loosen up.
I'm not stiff. You're the stiff one. Look out. I just passed gas.
That's the last time you get pizza. Now let's go. Okay, Beak. That's a wrap. Good job. What do you want to eat?
I don't know.
You said you were hungry before and wanted pasta.
Maybe I want a pizza.
You can have whatever you want, pasta or pizza. Just make up your mind.
Pasta's good. But so is pizza.
Make up your mind, Beak.